Winter time and sky is bright. No snow in sight. Shorts and sand, it's always bright. Even in the night, we have a fun in the Christmas sun. Palm trees swaying, carol song. Friends all together, what we share in the air and in hearts everywhere. Santa's tiny cold weather ready. Watch it sunny. Ho, 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 and Rudolph, sick of snow. John Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas here in the sun. Heavy sun, not heavy ghosts. Time to raise a toast. I want to wish from the bottom of my heart a season of hope. Let's have all fun in the Christmas sun. Yuletide laughter for everyone. Singing and dancing, no winter freezing.
Hey, Gab Gab! Bebem! Hi! Hindi niya ako nakilala. How's my baby? Ayun na yun, dito. Hindi pa pala ng damit mo? Hey!
Pero,
Nagpapakatatay pa si JR. Nagpapakatatay pa siya. Wow! Smart. Gaba? Babe! Yes!
Lalabanan natin Titan.
Hey! Oo. Okay. Expectation namin, ceiling high. Merry Christmas, smile. Yes! Ay, ano? Sino po kayo ngayon? Kayo, sino po kayo?
walang damit.
Okay. Dami? Kayo, saan po kayo? Nang? Okay. Kayo, sino kayo ngayon?
F4.
F4. Dalawa lang kayo eh. So, pinakita mo na yung namin. Kayo, Dok, sino po kayo ngayon?
Myself tomorrow as Morty siya ata.
Okay, sige. Release. Ikaw, sino ka?
Ako yung kukuha ng cellphone ng lahat na nandito.
Okay, prayer muna tayo.
It's been another year and we are gathered here again for the end of the...
Okay, so pwede na po tayong pumila dun sa ating, sa ating table sa likod. And while we're having dinner, we will have some raffle.
Sa performance natin, no? Hindi lang tayo matatalino dito, talented din. Diba?
Incoming third-year residents. Yan na siya po na. Incoming second year residents.
Sa TikTok. So anyway, before I announce the winner, so yung group 1, yung ating incoming first year, did more practice, especially the synchronization and yung facial expression. Kasama ang facial expression sa performance. Our dear Maiko for very talented. Ikaw yata ang kumama ng trono ko. Group 2, ito yung kila Lisa, yung Squid Game. So, maganda yung naisip nila, may originality, and nag-matching costume talaga nila. So, parang pinaghandaan talaga. And I appreciate the facial expression of Dr. Libo. And facial expression ni Dr. Jacob. Kala ko susubsub ka na eh. And maraming talented sa grupo nila. Si Kams, kitang-kita yung kanyang pagsasayaw. And ngayon ko lang napansin, na-notice na okay din ang movements ni Wine. So, group 3, kasi Erico. So, natutuwa ako dun sa yung creativity nyo, yung idea. However, medyo kulang pa tayo sa energy. Kulang sa energy. Next and final group 4. So ating mga junior consultants, maganda rin yung naisip nila, very organized. No, natutuwa ako. Sobrang organized siya, hindi siya magulong tingnan. Mas lahat talaga sila marunong sumayaw. They have the moves. Steps. Especially si Bea and si Jude. Galing. In every contest, meron winner, meron din hindi pa palari. For the second place, garnering a 19%. Group belongs to group number 4.
So Dana, sino ka?
Evening po, ako po si Rachel Green from France.
Alright, thank you, Dana. Next is Dr. Lisa, one of our incoming first year residents. So, sino yung character mo?
Si Rosa Diaz from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Alright, next natin, the winner of the family case presentation for this year, Dr. Riza. Who is your character?
Yung red light, green light daw sa Squid Game.
Next, our beautiful junior consultant, Dr. Jinel Aban. Alright, so Dr. Jinel, sino ba character niyo for tonight?
Bonjour! I'm Emily in Paris po.
Next, our recent outgoing third year resident. So, Doc Yan, sino ka tonight?
Ako po si Teresita sa Bulacan.
Next one, Doc Y, who is your character?
Ako po si player 4, 5, 6. Dalawa po kami dito. Male and female version. Ako po yung female.
And next naman, Doc Tam, so give us a brief background ng character mo.
Kasi no, ako po yung executioner sa script. Pati kayo executioner din po ng juniors.
Gandal ko, bina po ako. Alright, last but not least, our incoming chief president. Doc, sino ka ba?
Hindi din po, I'm Morticia Adams. Ako po yung magre-release ng mga kalaban bukas. Thank you.
Ayan, let's give it up mga participants. So next, my batchmate. So Dr. Robbie Abad. Ang ating talentadong senior, Dr. Jacob. Sino mo tonight?
Ako po yung unang namatay sa Squid Game kasi naglalapa po ako. So ayun po, Squid Game character. Sana may part 2.
My service senior, Dr. Gibo. So sino ang character mo tonight?
Hello, so ako yung boss sa Squid Game.
And last but not least, ang ating outgoing chief press, Dr. June. So sino ka tonight, Dr. June?
Marami po siguro nagtatanong, ano ba ito tawag parang cabinet? Ako po si Joey Tribbiani ng Friends. Nakakomando din ako.
Record for Psychiatry.
Most number of RTDs attended. The Anchalak Award goes to Dr. Luis An.
Okay, so hindi na po namin pinilang kung ilan yung in-attendan ng RTD kasi sure kami. Halos lahat yun nandun siya. Erico, Lloyd, Ray.
The most nonchalant award goes to Dr. Hermenegildo Gutierrez.
The to Doc Day and Doc Yan Yan.
And at the same time,
Looking down from heaven must be very happy, rejoicing and celebrating with you.
congratulate both of you.
Right and associates.
The right time. In an 18-year-old girl, appropriately named Sue.
So,
Right.
left. Gay. Wellness. Smile.
Sino kaya mas swerte mga
Halo. Saya po siya.
So, a very lucky man.
Ma-
Dr. Raymond Emmanuel Pineda.
Best in costume.
Siya na naman. Siya na.
FG! And Mami, Lisa Pineda.
Okay.
Papakasama po sa costume ng baby. Our
Wish you Merry Christmas. So let's enjoy the rest of the Christmas season. Thank you very much. And
Pieces number 1. Pieces number 1.
Ngayon,